Hello everyone. So Mother's Day is on 8th May 2022. So it's very much near. So for today I will share 3 different keywords for elements in Canva with which you can design your own Mother's Day templates and design for yourself for greeting your mother with a designing card. So let's start with it. So as you can see, I will open any canvas like Instagram post, for example, here. So I want to tell you that all the keywords which I will be sharing, many elements will be free and some will be in pro section, so you can use both of them if you like. So that will be not an issue. So let's start with the first keyword, which is, so the first keyword is organic texture WLW mothers and children. Okay, so just give it a click and let's go to graphics. Okay, so you can see all the elements here. You can just use it, and from the magic recommendation you can find new elements here. Okay, so as you can see from the edit image, you can just add some shadows, or you can use blur, and also you can put some frames in that, or you can make the duotone from here. Okay, so these are all the elements which you can use. As you can see, all of them are free here, free to use. As you can see, it's written here, this is free. And let me click and show another keyword, another element. So as you can see, this is also free. Okay, so you can use all these elements for yourself. So this is the first keyword. So let's share the second keyword. Okay, so this one is retro flat textured Mother's Day sticker shapes. Okay, so let's copy it and show it to you how the element looks. So this element also has stickers for Father's Day also. So as you can see, it's Papa written super dad. So you can find it here, Happy Mother's Day, and you can see here it is free to use. Okay, so if you click here, you will get magic recommendations, and you can use from this here. Gorgeous mom, we love you mother, best mom, lovely mom. Like that you can use these stickers for yourself, and for designing your cards you can use that. So as you can see, all these retro shaped keyword for elements, you can find it here with a vast category of elements. And this is just a magic recommendation. If you just scroll down here, you will find more of them, like caring mother, like superstar, Happy Mother's Day here written, and thus you can find new keywords for your design. Okay, so let's just delete. And the main thing is, the main advantage here is you can just change the colors if you like for these elements. Like if I want to change it to red color, you can see it's looking great. From pink I want to change it to purple, you can do like that, so it looks gorgeous for me, and you can also do for yourself. Okay, so all of them the colors can be editable. So I have shared 2 of them, so let's share the third one. Okay, so third one is organic textured elderly mothers with children. Okay, this is the third keyword. So let's try it in Canva. So this is the third keyword. So this, as you can see, these are also free elements. Some are in pro section. As you can see, this one is in pro section, this one is in pro section. Okay, so some are in pro section, but as you can see, a vast majority of elements are in free section. As you can see it here, you can again just edit it and add shadows, use photogenic options, like that you can use it, okay, for your own design. And you can download it for free in Canva, and from Canva, and use it for your own designs. I hope you like the keywords for your design, and I hope you have understood how to generate these keywords so that you can create a lovely design for the Mother's Day theme and Mother's Day card. You can also design it directly from here. So if you have any type of query, please comment in the comment section and let us know. And till then, check out this awesome video right here, which is present just here. Thank you. Have a great day.